Hola, Señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. Today, for your actividad inicial, you're going to type in this space I provided here. You're going to type one thing that you learn about your assigned country. So you just need to click on the button here that says Start Assignment, I think is what it says. And then you just type there, you answer. And then you show me, and I give you your points. We will start learning from the first chapter of book. We follow the text Realidades. It's an electronic book I have. And the first chapter name is Para empezar, that means to start. And it's divided in 3 sections. It's en la escuela, at the school, en la clase, in the class, en el tiempo, that means the time, giving time, asking for time, and the weather. Sorry, it's basically the weather in this case. Today we're going to start with the first section, that is in the school. In this section we're going to learn about greetings at different times of the days, ways to introduce yourself to others, class directions, numbers, telling time, parts of the body, and ways to say goodbye. That's what goes in the first part. The first thing you need to do is to copy these notes. I put some notes here for you to copy in your notebook. Your notebook, as I have mentioned before, is a binder. So you copy your notes, you put your paper in the binder. This is next. Watch the video with the explanation for today's lesson. So I have, this is the lesson. These are the objectives. We're going to see these during class. If you are absent, you're going to have to probably catch up. And let me see. This is greetings, different times of the day. And then you're going to work on an activity I'm going to show you in a minute. And this is ways to ask how you're doing and how to say goodbye. So we're going to be seeing this during class. There it is. In case that you are absent, you can just go ahead and read them. There they are. You can pause this video. All right. And you then have to copy these notes. Again, you just copy on a piece of paper, put it in your binder. This is all information for your class, for your new class. And then you have this listening activity. So here's a listening activity. You can play the listening in a video that I recorded here, and then answer the questions. Select the correct answer. And then there's another section. So you have 2 activities there, listening activities that you need to complete. And if the video right here doesn't work, I put the link here with the audio recorded too. You're going to submit this form when you finish. And I will grade it in Google, meaning you don't have to submit anything else right here. Here is only the warm-up. So I hope to see you in class. If you have any questions, let me know. Adios.